want to open this nut. This is 24 size. Now insert it. Now see, it is very simple. If you keep this point viewing from this side, it is in clockwise direction. That means, see, it is when you view it from this side, it is moving clockwise. Okay, suppose you changed over it to anti-clockwise direction. Now it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. It is very simple. Now you want to unlock this. Keep it in clockwise direction, viewing from this side. Okay. That's all. It is out. Very simple. Suppose if you want to tighten it, just change over this pin to the anti-clockwise direction. Just tighten it. That's all.